Over the past 20-plus years, the Blue Moon Bakery and Cafe has become a staple in Tulsa's Brookside neighborhood.
We feel like what we have to offer is just as good as and important to the Tulsa food scene as anything else that's out there.
Alan FUSCO has been in the food business for a long time and knew the original Blue Moon owners. So when it came time to change hands, he was a perfect fit. The menu, a mix of original recipes and Alan's own creations, some of them from his family.
My parents, I have an Italian father and a Jewish mother, and three brothers. So everything in my family revolves around food. Everything happened in our kitchen.
A lot of variety on the menu.
Breakfast and lunch at the Blue Moon covers everything from Mediterranean to Mexican, Asian to American.
I ordered the egg salad and the chicken salad. It was very good.
And I got the roasted red pepper quesadilla, and it was awesome.
Might have been the best quesadilla we've ever had.
Yeah. The flavor profile, it's kind of a Mediterranean flavor, and that's not typical with a quesadilla, but it was really good.
I had the tortilla soup. It was delicious.
Kelly Morrison is a Blue Moon regular. She stops in at least once a week with her dog Emma. Since she lives in the neighborhood, sometimes it's 2 or 3 visits.
I love Alan, and he makes such good food. I always try to do whatever their special is, because it's always just really fresh and wonderful.
Kelly likes the patio, which is perfect for pets. Plenty of treats are on hand, and there's even a custom outdoor water fountain for dogs.
Oh yeah, Emma loves it here.
But in that, I think it's the way it should be. You know, they're part of your family. A lot of people don't travel without them.
The Blue Moon has a really cool vibe, and part of that are these dozens of salt and pepper shakers from customers from all over the world. But they're just for looks, and if you're looking for a little extra seasoning, you'll have to go for the prepackaged stuff for that.
We kind of started on a shoestring.
Early on, Alan would bring stuff from the house to use at the cafe. Then customers started bringing him shakers from their vacations to help out.
We had a few, and then we had to put up a shelf for all the extras, and then we had to put up more shelves.
The walls are covered with family photos and vintage concert posters. The original neon sign is up in the entry. Back in the kitchen, fresh baked goods are happening daily, starting with the morning pastries.
We make sticky buns and almond rolls and cheese Danish. Sometimes we'll turn them into other things.
The breads, all homemade.
We do a 3-seed bread, a sourdough bread, a jalapeno cheddar bread, a whole wheat bread.
They're used for sandwiches like the popular grilled chicken breast or Southwest Express,
which is a grilled cheese sandwich with roasted green chilies and tomatoes.
The best seller is an original on the menu called the Brookside.
It's jalapeno cheese bread with a spicy mustard. It's got cheddar and Swiss, and then we grill the ham with grilled onions.
Whatever you order, it's going to be fresh and made in-house, right down to the corned beef Reubens Alan learned how to make from his mom.
We do all our own dressings. We pickle all our veggies that we use on our sandwiches, make all our salads, tabbouleh, pasta salad, black-eyed pea.
You'll find the Blue Moon Bakery and Cafe open every day for breakfast and lunch. In Tulsa's Brookside, I'm Jason GRUBBS for Discover Oklahoma.